Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to put ink in for the first time on this printer. This is actually the HP Deskjet 2742e printer, and in this video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to put ink in for the first time. Let's get right into the video. The first step is plug the printer in and turn it on, which I've already done, okay? And we are ready to put ink in here for the first time. You can see that the ink levels are flashing. It's saying that there's no cartridge in there, okay? So you can see right here, it's showing that the ink levels on the left side and the right side are flashing because there's no cartridge in there. And it actually shows you that the left side here is the color ink and the right side is actually like the monotone or the monochrome, I should say, or the black and white ink, okay? So let's get right into the video. So once it's turned on, you want to open this front door right over here, just like that, okay? And then there's a second door over here. You can open this door just like this. Okay, I was going to make a joke and say you can knock, say hello, who's there, but you don't have to do that. You can open that up. And what you'll notice is that the ink holders, okay, the ink houses, I'll call them, move to the middle. Now you can see right here, the left one is the colored one and the right one is the black and white one, okay, for the cartridges. Now I've already opened up the packages. These are the packages that came with the printer. It's like the starter cartridge, they call it, I believe. Yeah, so a starter cartridge, I believe it said, somewhere, something like that. So over here is the black and white one. And I'm going to leave it on the right so I remember that it goes on the right side over there. And here's the color one. I'm going to leave it on the left so I remember that it goes on the left side. All that you have to do, remove each cartridge from the package, okay? So I'm going to remove this cartridge from the package. You're going to remove this little piece right here, okay, just like that. All right? I'm trying to do this with one hand, so please just bear with me. I might have to put the camera down. We'll see if I can do it with one hand. Let's see. Let's see. I might have to put the camera down. Unless I can get it like a champion, of course I can. Okay, now you can see right here that there are these little gold contact points, and it's hard to see there. Let me zoom in see if you can see this right here. There are actually gold contact points right there as well. You can see them right there. Okay, so you got to line them up. Kind of makes sense. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the cartridge in like this, and I'm not exactly sure which way it goes. I'm sure it'll only go one way. We're going to try like this. No, that doesn't work. So we're going to try like this now. Yeah, so I believe this is the way that it's going to work, which would be, sorry about that, I think I was angling the camera downwards, which would be the colored side facing up, the label facing up. Put it in place like that. I pushed it in nice and firmly. We're going to do the same thing with the black and white cartridge. Let's see if we still have the champion skills with us. Look at that. Come on, look at this, one-handed. Okay, anyways, the label goes up, and then the gold contacts go towards the back of the printer, just like that. Make sure I catch this on camera now. So line it up just like that. Okay, let's get a better view, just like that. And push it in firmly until it clicks in place. When you're done, close the first door over there. You don't have to close the next door. This is where the paper comes out of. So you don't have to close that. It's up to you. But yeah, that's basically it. That is how to install. Sorry about that. This shouldn't have opened. This is that second door that it shows where the cartridges are. Leave that one closed. That is how to install ink for the first time on this printer. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.